TS classes. In the last two video, we have studied about square and square root. In this video, we will study about cube and cube root. How to find a cube of a number and the cube root of a number in a less time. Today we will study some tricks to find. First we will study how to find the cube of a number. Next we will find the cube root of a number. Let's start our class. In examination hall, most of the time the cube of a two-digit number is required. So first we have to remember the cube of from 1 to 10. It is the most important thing to remember. We know the cube of 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 8, cube of 3 is equal to 27, cube of 4 64, cube of 5 125, cube of 6 216, cube of 7 343, cube of 8 512, cube of 9 729, cube of 10 is equal to 1000. By using this, by remembering all these things, we will find any cube of a two-digit number. By taking an example, first we will study what is the cube of 12. In this class, we will study an easy trick how to find cube. First, the example is the cube of 12. Here, the number is 12. 12 is consist of two numbers 1 and 2. First of all, we have to write the cube of the first digit. The first digit is 1. So, cube of 1 is equal to 1. Next, what is the cube of the second digit? Second digit is 2. So, cube of 2 is equal to 8. I will write in the last. Within 1 and 8, I have two places. Here the place 1 and this is the place 2. In the first place, I have to write the square of the first number into second. That means the square of 1 is equal to 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. In the second place, I have to write the square of the second number into first. Square of second number is 2 square, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Here, I have written 1, 2, 4, 8. Next, I will multiply 2 with the middle two numbers. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4 here. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 here. After writing all these things, I will add. Simply, I will add these things. That means 8. Here it is 12. Here it is 6. And it is 1. Now, this place, all this place consists of only one number. Excluding the first one, all the three places consist of only one place. That means one digit will be written here. So here I will write 8, here 2 and 1 will be carried towards this. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and here it is 1. So 12 cube is equal to 1728. It is the most easy way to find the cube of a number. Next we will do another example. The example is 18. So now the cube of 18. Similarly, I will write the cube of the first number. The first number cube is equal to 1. The cube of the second number 8 cube is equal to 512. In between these, I will write two places. The first place is the square of the first into second. That means 1 square is equal to 1 into 8. So it is 8. In the second place, I will write the square of the second. That means 64 into 1. It will be 64. Next, I will write the double of the middle two number. That means here I will write 16. Here it is 128. Next, my duty is to add these numbers. Here I have started this. All this place consists of only one digit. So here I will write only 2 here. And the 52 will be carried to here. It is 51. So 51 plus 64 plus 128. Here I will get 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 3. And the carry fed will be 13 plus 6 plus 5. 13 plus 6 19 plus 5 24. So 24 will be carried to here. Now 24 plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 48. So 8 will be written here and 4 will be carried. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 here. So a cube of 18 is equal to 5, 8, 3, 2. This is the cube of the 18. Similarly, we can find the cube of any digit number. We will do another example. The next question to find the cube of 52. Now 52 cube. Same process we will repeat. It is consist of 4 places. Place 1, place 2, place 3 and place 4. So first place I will write the cube of the first number, which is equal to 5 cube 125. So 125 here. Last place is cube of the last number. Cube of 2 is equal to 8. It is 8. The second place and third place. The second place consists of the square of the first number into second. So 5 square is 25 into 2 is equal to 50. 50. And this place is square of the second number into first. 2 square 4 into 5, 20. Next I will write this double of the middle two number. That means here it is 100 and here it is 40. Now the last step to add the number. It is 8, 2 and 2. Only this place will be added and this place will be carried. So it is 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. 60 means 0 will be written here and 6 will be carried out. 6 here, that means it is 156. So 6 will be here and 15 is carried. So 15 plus 125 is equal to 140. So 52 cube. So cube of the 52 is equal to 140608. Similarly, another question, the cube of 43. So 43 cube. Similarly, the cube of the first number 4 cube is equal to 64. The cube of 3 is equal to 27. Here the square of 4 into 3, 16 into 3, 48. This place, square of 3 into 4, 9 into 4, 36. Now I will multiply 2 with the middle two number. That means it is 96 and it is 72. Now I will add this. Here it is 7. Now here 6 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. That means 0 is written here and 1 will be carried. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 7, 11. And 11 plus 48 plus 96. The answer is 155. So 5 will be written here and 15 is carried. 15 plus 64 is equal to 79. So the cube of 43 is equal to 79507. In this process, I can find the cube of any two-digit number. The steps, I am saying again, the steps are, first I have to write the cube of the first digit, here the cube of the second digit. This place I will write the square of the first digit into second. This place I will write the square of the second digit into first. Now I will multiply 2 with the middle two terms and simply I will add it. Every place consists of only one digit and the rest digit will be carried to the next term. Similarly, we can find the cube of any two-digit number. Next, we will study about how to find the cube root of a number. For finding the cube root of a number, first we have to remember all the cube from 1 to 10. After remembering this, some point we have to get. Here, we can get the cube is consist of, when the number is 1, the cube is 1. When the number is 4, the cube is 4. Unit place of the cube is 4. 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, 0, 0. So, here we concluded that when the unit place is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. If the unit place is consist of 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, then the same thing is replaced in place of cube root. Here the same number is replaced. And when it is 2, when the cube part there is 2, in the cube root part it is written as 8 and vice versa. That means when it is 8 we can write 2. Similarly when it is 3, the cube root part the number is 7 and when it is 7 the cube root part is 3. So most of thing we have to remember 2, 8 and 3, 7. Because in place of cube, if it is 2 we will write 8, if it is 3 we will write 7 and vice versa. Without a 1, without a 2, 3, 7 and all this number we will repeat the same thing. Now Let's take an example. Suppose the number is 79507. We have to find its cube root. The process is too easy. Just take 2 seconds to complete it. The number is 79507. First we have to take the last 3 number. Here the last 3 number is 507, and within this what is the unit place? The unit place is 7. Here I have already said you that in place of 7 in cube root part the number is replaced by 3. So if I am getting the cube root, then in place of 7 I will write 3. So here within the 3 places the 3. Now 79. We know the nearest number, nearest cube near to the 79 is in between 2 range. That means 79 is between 64 and 125. So the lowest number we have to take, lowest number is 64. So 4 will be written here. It is 4. So 43 is the cube root of 79507. By taking another example, it will be most clear. The number is 140608. Okay, 140608. The cube root. Now 608. So the last 3 digit is 608. The last number is 8. So in place of 8 by cube root we can get 2. So here we got 2. Now 140. So cube root of 140. Now we will see here. 140 is in between 125 and 216. So 125 is the nearest number to 140. So 5 will be written here. So 5, it is 52. So cube root of 140608, 52. Next we will do another examples. Next example is 941192. So 941192. It's cube root. Now the unit place is 2. So here we can get 8. So 8 without the last 3 digit. The rest number are 941. The cube root of 941 will be in between the 9 and 10. So 9q is equal to 729 and 10q is equal to 1000. So 941 is in between 2 range. So the lowest number is 9. So I will write 9 here. So cube root of 941192 is 98. The next question is 493039. So cube root of 493039. It's cube root. Here the unit place is 9. So 9 is same will be repeated. So it is 9. By excluding the last 3 number, the number is 493. So 493 is in between 7q and 8q. So 7 will be written here. So cube root of 493039 is 79. In this process we can get the cube root of any number within 2 or 3 seconds. No more time will be required to find the cube root. So let's do another 2 or 3 examples. The next example is 261144. So 261144. Here the unit place is 4. So 4 will be repeated in place of the cube root. So 4 will be here. And excluding the last 3 number, the number is 261. 261 is in between 6q and 7q. So 6 will be written here. 64. Next and the last question for today is 250047. 250047. It's cube root. Here the unit place is 7. So the answer will be 3. And the number excluding the last 3 is 250. And 250 is lies in between 6q and 7q. So it is written as 6. So the cube root of 250047 is 63. If the number is perfectly cube, then we can get the cube root of that number by this process. And for getting the cube root, the most important thing we have to remember is the cube of 1 to cube of 10. And the another point we have to remember is when the number is consist of the unit digit having 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, the same thing will be repeated. And when the number is 2, in place of 2, by getting its cube root, 2 will be replaced as 8. In place of 8 is written as 2. That means 2 and 8 will be vice versa, and 7 and 3 will be the same, will be repeated. In place of 7, we have to write 3. In place of 3, we have to write 7. So in this process, we can find the cube root of any number if the number is a perfectly cube within 2 or 3 seconds. In today's class, we have studied how to find the cube of a number and the cube of a number very easily with a short period of time, which can help us in the examination hall very easily. Thank you.